Hello class, this video is on drawing and layering with shapes. So if I only have paper, you can do this as a drawing, or if you have different colors of papers, you can do this as a collage. You can even use pieces of cutout ones that you used in the past. So if I only have stuff to draw with, I can just do it as a drawing. I like to use things to help me make my shape, like lids and caps and stuff. So if I start with a big shape, I'll trace it. But this is about layering, so now I want to layer a small one inside. I can use different shapes besides circles. For example, I might do triangles all the way around the circle. I could put it inside of a sexagon, which is 6 sides. So 1 on top, 1 on bottom, and if it helps, you can use a ruler for your angles or your straight lines. Or you can just freehand them, whatever you have available to you. Oh, that needs to be a little longer. And mine isn't perfectly symmetrical, so if you make a mistake, you can always fix it. And I'm just going to erase so it's a little shorter on that side. There we go. Now, since I drew this, I wanted to have some color. You can use whatever you have available, crayons, markers, whatever you have. So I'll color in my different shapes, and each time I'm in a new shape, I want it to change color. So if the little circle is red, then maybe the big circle is yellow. Alright, I won't finish this whole thing, so you have time to make your own. But I will show you what you could do for a collaged version. I'll just do it on the back. So I would take my colored paper, and instead of drawing my circles on the plain paper, I'm going to draw it on the colored paper. Then I'll cut that out. Save the big piece. Maybe I want to keep this as scraps for something else. Then maybe I'll do a small circle in yellow. And notice I'm using the corner of this, so I have lots more yellow to use later. And I can just chunk out that corner and save this piece for something else. Alright, so I got some pieces. Once you have cut out all the shapes that you want to glue them down. I like to put my glue on the side that I drew on so you don't see it when you put it down on the paper. So I put my glue on, flip it, and now you don't see those pen lines anymore. Then I'm going to put this one on top. Try to center it. Give it a good massage so it sticks. And I can keep adding details and shapes to it. I usually don't glue it down until I have all my pieces cut out. That way, if I want something bigger behind this pink one, it's easier. Because right now, if say I wanted to put a black shape behind it, let's just say a big black square, that's really hard to do. But since my glue hasn't dried yet, I could peel this off so that I could have the black shape behind it. So try to do your biggest pieces, glue those ones down first, and then put your littler pieces on top. Then when you're all done, glue them all down for your final piece. Then don't forget to hold it up to your camera and take a picture so I can see it for your project. Have fun creating, everybody!